Sometimes a sister don't got time to do her makeup. You know what I'm saying? Hi, beautiful people. I'm Carla. Welcome to my channel, Beauty with a Hammer. Now, today I have a great beauty video for you. If you want to look glam, but you're pressed for time, you still got to look glam. I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to glam look, how to achieve this glam look in just 10 minutes. All right, without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so I've already prepped my skin. We're talking about a 10-minute tops glam look. Now, this is a kind of look that, let's say your husband or your boyfriend or your girls, they call you and they're like, oh my gosh, like, let's go out or let's go have some fun. And you're like at home and you're like, oh, like, look at this face. I don't got no makeup on. This is a routine that it doesn't take more than 10 minutes, okay? And you are going to look absolutely beautiful, like glam, like you woke up like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with my go-to primer by Too Faced. And just put that all over my face here. This is my go-to primer. I am a combination skin, and so I do get oily, and so I tend to like going towards the more matte side of foundations. My favorite foundation right now that I liked using right now is this one by NARS. I am in the color Barcelona, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my blurring foundation brush by e.l.f. Now, this is my go-to foundation brush. If you guys don't have this brush in your kit, go get it. They sell it at H-E-B, Target. Now, this is my go-to brush because if you need to apply foundation super quick, guys, this is what you're gonna need to do it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And look how pretty. Like, this brush just helps you glide on your foundation. Now, don't forget to blend your foundation down your neck. Okay? Now, it is so important that you get your foundation matched to your skin. Now, you guys heard me talk about how Sephora has a color IQ, and this is something I like to take advantage of more than once a year because, as you guys know, during the summer, of course, you're gonna be a lot more tan, right, than in the winter. And I love this foundation because it keeps my skin looking like so good, and it stays matte, works really well with my primer. Make sure I cover up the mustache. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to be taking my go-to concealer by Shape Tape, taking a little bit of concealer and going underneath my eyes here. Now, again, y'all, this is like a super quick glam face, okay? So yes, there are some more steps that I could do, but we're trying to do this as quickly as possible. I'm going to be using the fewest products that I can here. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking some setting powder. I'm going to be using this palette here by Smashbox. It's the Cali contour palette. I'm going to be taking this color right here with my brush from the Shade and Light and setting my concealer here. The next thing that I'm going to be doing, now remember this is a glam look, and so you gotta do a little bit of contouring. This color here with this side of the brush here, and just adding a little bit of contour. Now, you can go all out with your contour, but girl, I ain't got no time. I just got 10 minutes. My husband just told me we're gonna go out on a date, and I wanna look good, I still wanna look glam. If you don't have time to contour your nose, I like to take a little bit of powder here and just kind of still provide a little bit of contour there. You can't forget to contour here. So very quickly, but still having a little bit of contour there. Now, using this brush from e.l.f., I'm gonna be taking the bronzer, tapping in a little bit, putting that here, just kind of getting a little bit of a glow going on. Gonna be glam, right? And so you gotta look like you also went to the beach a little bit, got a little bit of sun-kissed, right? So you've got to put a little bit of bronzer there. Just kind of run this here at the top. Don't forget to run it down your neck, your jawline, down your nose. Woo! Look at this. I'm looking so glam already. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take some blush. I like this little blush here from Hourglass. It's in the color Ambient, and it's so pretty, y'all. Like, it's so pretty. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I'm going to take a little bit here and just kind of brush a little bit of that onto my cheeks. Look how pretty that looks. Ooh, girl. Making me look like I blushed. Ooh, yeah. And then just kind of using this brush. Isn't this a pretty brush, guys? Look at this. This brush here is from Wet n Wild, and it is so pretty. I think it looks so pretty. Okay, so now that we have this part of our face done, we are gonna be putting our eyebrows on. I like to use the Anastasia brow pomade. I do use it in the color Ebony, and I like to use this little brush here from Anastasia with the spoolie. It's the dual end. Now, like I've said in the past before, this is something that just take practice. I do have a video on how I do my eyebrows, so I will link that for you guys if you would like to watch it. Now, again, this is a very quick 10-minute glam look. And so I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of the other steps that I would do if I really, really want to make my eyebrows just pop. It's just going to be enough to get an eyebrow on, because like I said, this look should not take you more than 10 minutes, okay? Once you've drawn your eyebrows on, my secret to a glam look, especially when I'm trying to do a glam look in under 10 minutes, is lashes. Go with some glam lashes and also a bold lipstick. It did take a long time for me to feel comfortable wearing red lipstick, but once you feel comfortable and like own it and have like that inner confidence to wear it, trust me, anyone can pull off red lipstick. So once you have this down, once you have your eyebrows down, I'm going to be taking my Mario Badescu, I don't know how to say it, but this spray that everybody likes to use, it's one of their go-tos. I like to use this lavender, the one with lavender, because I just think it smells really pretty. But they have the one in pink, which is the rose water. So just gonna go ahead and spray that on. Take my little spongy here, blend all my makeup, all my powder stuff, and make it just kind of like melt onto my face, make it look like skin. My secret to a glam look, especially when you're tight on time, are glam lashes. Now look how pretty these lashes look. They are from Huda Beauty, and so I'm gonna go ahead and pop these babies on, and I'll be right back. Bam! I told you guys, lashes just elevates it to like glam. Do you guys see, like, are y'all watching this? So my go-to lipstick is a red lipstick. I like this one from MAC, but any red lipstick will work. I'm gonna be using my MAC Patrick Star in the color Patrick Woo. Now this color's has had a lot of loving, and so there's barely any in it, but it's such a pretty color. I think that goes with a lot of people's skin tone colors. OMG. Like, what did I tell you guys? Just this beautiful red lipstick and these lashes, they just take a look and just elevate it to a whole nother level. Now, if you have time, my only other trick that I would add if you really want like a full, complete, quick glam look is take an eyeshadow and just quickly like sweep like a gray color over the lid. Now I'm gonna be using my Tarteist Pro. This palette's had a lot of loving, but I'm gonna be using this color right here. It's kind of like a gray color, and just with my Wet n Wild shadow brush, I'm going to be sweeping just a little bit of color on the top of the lid here. Now, like I said, this is such a quick glam look that we're not going for anything fancy. Literally just taking a little bit of shadow and creating some depth in there, okay? And so like I said, this is another one of my tricks when I'm trying to go glam, but also I'm tight for time. Literally like the easiest thing to do just to elevate the look a little bit more. And just like that, woo, let me fix my hair. I flip my head back. Just kidding. And just like that, I have a quick 10-minute glam look that looks beautiful, and it didn't even take super long. All right, guys, this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed my 10-minute quick glam look. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to comment down below. Now, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Now, if this is your first time seeing all of this on the screen, don't forget to subscribe. I do have new videos that I post every Thursday, so keep coming back and seeing your sister. Anyway, I've got some other videos here that you can click on. If you enjoyed this video, I know you're going to enjoy these videos as well. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day. I love you, and don't forget to keep coming back.